Welcome to this video on configuring forms in BIZUIT Forms Designer.
The remaining forms for our user interaction activities, in this case, evaluate request, must display the same data from the original request, with the addition of a new field where the support team can indicate whether an immediate solution is available. Instead of creating everything from scratch, we'll duplicate the original request form and rename it Evaluate Request.
Double-click the form, and let's begin customizing it. Since the original data shouldn't be modified, we'll set those fields to read only.
Next, we need to add a control so the support team can specify if an immediate solution is available. For that, we'll use a slide toggle control. First, we'll give it a label, with immediate solution.
Then we'll link it to the variable named evaluation support result.
Under restrictions, we'll define it as a numeric type. When toggled on, it will return a value of 1, when off, it will return 0. This will later allow us to branch the process flow based on the result. Once done, we'll save the form and repeat the same approach for the other user interaction activities. Such as the request treatment activity.
We see that no form has been created yet.
So, we'll copy the one from Evaluate Request.
Let's assign a name to the new form. Now let's open it in the Form Designer.
Since the field for immediate resolution is no longer relevant, we already know it has no solution.
We'll remove it, and instead, we'll add a control where the support team can enter notes about the request treatment. For this, we'll use a text area control and link it to the notes request treatment variable. We'll follow the same logic for the activity that gets triggered when a certain amount of time has passed. Without the request being closed. Let's go to the expiration process flow.
There, we'll find the activity Resolve Request.
We'll copy a form and rename it Resolve Request. Open the form.
In this case, we'll modify the control. To link it to the correct variable, which is vManagerNotes.
Finally, we'll save the form.
And with that, we've completed the configuration of all forms related to our user interaction activities.